Hi guys, this is Vishal from TrapCode. So in this video, we will understand how to extract the text of any file. So in age of AI, there are a lot of scenarios where there's a huge like files or data, and you want to extract the text out of those files to be able to send to prompt, or maybe you want to run some analysis on top of it. So there are several scenarios where you need the text of that file, right? So we have built a inbuilt capability where you can extract the text of any file within Trapcode without using any third party or any external library, right? So you can extract the text from doc file, Word file, PDF, Excel sheet, images, a lot of files, right? So let's see how that can be done. So here we have a collection called employee. It has a couple of fields, and it also has a field to store a file. So I go to the configuration. It has name, joining date, email, and then resume. Okay, and resume is of type file. Let's say whenever they upload the resume, I want to extract the text of that resume so that I can use it for some analysis, send it to some AI LLMs or whatever I want to do, right? So let's say I want to extract the text. To extract the text, we need to store the text in some field, right? After extraction, we need to store it somewhere so that we can further use it. For that, let's go and create a field. So let's say I add a field of large text. You can create any type of field, and I'll call it. Okay, and I'll save this. So I have now created a field. Let's go to event. So we have an event which saves employee. So what I just save the data and then redirect it to some page, right? Now I want to extract the text of this without before the user gets redirect. So what I'll do, I'll just delete this section. We'll come back to this later. And I go here and go to this option. We say collection. In collection, there's an option like any file to text, right? So this is what we are going to choose. So this is an inbuilt capability where you can extract the text of any file which is getting uploaded, any file format, right? So they're asking me which collection the field is. So field is an employee collection. Ignore this PDF file. This is for any file now. Okay, so the file is in my resume field, and it's asking when the text gets extracted, where you want to store it. So I want to store it in resume text. Any success message. Okay. After that, we can redirect. So let's say redirect it to a list page. So this is optional step. Okay, so let's do employee list page. So now we have seen save the record in the database, extract the text of that file, store it in some field, and then redirect, right? And I'll go and just publish those changes. So we have a couple of sample files. So this is a sample doc file, lorem ipsum chart. So we have some sample RTF file, sample Excel sheet. So we can extract the data from Excel sheet also. This is a sample resume. So I'll just create a couple of records and upload all these files and see what happens. So now let's go to the page and see this in action. So I go to employee list page. Okay. If as of now, if I go to employee data, so this is all old data. It has no files attached to it because this is what we added recently. Now let's go and add. Okay, I'll say add an employee and resume. So first I'll upload this doc file. Submit. File got uploaded. I'll just reload. So this is the sample file, right? And the text field we are not seeing it because we don't show last text field in this row, but you can edit this and see it here, or basically you can view the JSON of the file by clicking this icon. So here, this is the file, right? So text is not visible here. Let's see if the changes are published. Okay, let's try some other file and some Excel sheet, and I'll just click submit. Okay, record got created. sample file is here. Let's go and see the XLS file. So here is the JSON of the file. So this is the resume file, and here you see all the text. So this is the text which is coming from that XLS file, right? That Excel sheet. Now let's try some other file. I'll add an employee. Now let me upload a PDF file this time. So this also worked. So now let's reload the pages. Reload the data. The PDF file is here. Let's go and see. So this is resume, and this is the resume text, right? So it is able to extract the file, the text from the files which we are uploading, right? Let's try some other file, RTF file. Submit. Reload this table. So RTF file is here, and this is the data of the RTF file, right? So here you can see that it is able to basically extract the text from any of the file, and then you can use this text to your further processing. So this way you can extract the text of any files. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.